Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to do a product review on a new bronzer, and it is the Huda Beauty Tantour bronzer. I got the shade Tan. I believe that was the second darkest shade. And basically the packaging looks like this. And then when you open up the box, it comes in a package with a black matte lid and then a clear bottom. Then you open it up, there's a little protective cover on top, and this is the product. As you can see, it's like a cream based product, and then this is the packaging. And if you're wondering about the eye look I'm wearing today, I will be posting a video on this in the next video to come, so just stay tuned for that. But anyways, back to this video. I decided I'm going to do half my face with a brush and then half my face with a sponge. I'm not really sure which one's going to work better, but I figured we could just test out both and see which one is the winner. So because I don't really use cream products too much, I'm gonna go ahead and start with the brush. And I swatched this in the store and it was very pigmented, so I'm just gonna show you what it looks like. Like, I barely put my hand in it and it comes out like super like intense and emollient. It definitely has a lot of pigment to it. So this product is intended to be a contour, but I wanted it more so to be a bronzer because I feel like cream contour doesn't really sound like something I'm interested in, but cream bronzer, I'd like to give that a shot. So I think I'm just gonna dip my brush straight in, but I'm gonna go in super duper gently. So I have like next to no product on the brush, just because I want to see how much product actually comes off of it first. In swatching it, a lot comes off, so I don't really want to go in with too much and then, you know, have mistakes made. So you can definitely start to see it. I didn't even go in with that much product and I feel like I already see it, so I'm just going to actually put some more in the back of my hand and then just take from there. So it's definitely showing up. You can honestly blend it out really easily. It's applying pretty decent with the brush. I do have a feeling it's gonna look even better with a sponge. So let's just go ahead and try that. Go ahead, put some more on the back of my hand, and then I'm gonna just go into it with my sponge. It's definitely showing up. I'm gonna take a clean side of the sponge and just really work it into the skin. So I'll place down the product with the sponge and I'll turn the sponge to a clean side to just help blend it in. Even though I got more product on the sponge, it looks a lot more natural on this side than it does on this side. This side definitely looks a lot more intense, I think so. The brush side definitely put on more product. It grabbed more product initially, so it definitely looks a lot darker. The sponge side, even though I picked up a little bit more product with it, it doesn't look as much because I think the sponge does help to absorb some of the excess, which I think is actually really nice. And I think I like the blend better because, like, just even judging by my forehead, it looks so much darker. I didn't want to blend in as easily as it did with the sponge side where it just looks very natural. So let's just go over this side with the sponge. You guys let me know what you think. What side did you like better, the sponge or the brush? I think this product is a good color though, because it's like not too dark. It definitely looks a lot cooler in the pan than it does when it's actually like on your hand and just blend it out. Okay, so let's go ahead and just give our final verdicts on the product. Turn properly. What the heck? Okay, there we go. Closing isn't the best. But anyways, I really do like this product. I would suggest doing it with a sponge. I think a sponge makes it look a lot more natural. And I think it can really go either way, from being like a contour to a bronzer. And I think it's a really nice color for me. And like, if you're around my skin tone, tan is the way to go. But yeah, overall, I give this product a thumbs up. And the great part about this is, like, there was still a shade darker. So if you're in darker than me, there's a shade there for you. It's really hard to find contour bronzer products when you're of a deeper skin tone. I just find they don't make them as much, and they're very hard to come across. But I really liked this one, so I would give this a thumbs up. I would definitely suggest apply it with a brush. It just looks a lot more natural and nice on the skin. And yeah guys, I hope you liked this video. If you want me to do more product reviews, like up this video, it lets me know that you liked it, you want more. And subscribe to my channel for new videos every Monday and Thursday, and comment below for what you guys want to see next time. And until next time, bye.